Hey, what's up guys? I'm Syed Musa Kalim from Epicop, and today I'm gonna show you how to use media queries, CSS3 media queries in your web projects. So before we dive in, we'll see a quick introduction of media queries, what basically media queries are and how we can use in our projects. So let's get started. So why should you care about media queries? We'll see how media queries are helpful for creating responsive web designs, for creating responsive web pages. We'll see in this video. So it is the most exciting aspects about CSS today, and it is very important for a web developer to use media queries while creating or while dealing with responsive web designs. And also it will allow us to change our layouts to suit the exact need of different devices without changing the content. You don't need to change your layout of the page if you want it on different screen sizes. You just need to put media queries in your CSS file, then you can change the layout of your web page. We'll see it later how you can change the styles or the animations using media queries. So this is how media queries looks like in your CSS file. @media represents it is a media query, only screen and maximum width. Here is one catch: maximum width. You can see here this maximum width represents that this style, that is body style, the background should be light blue. The background color of the body should be light blue. When this style will apply on our page, it applies before or it applies below the maximum. It applies below the width of 500 pixels, because maximum width means we are defining till 500 pixels. Below that width, we will apply this style in our web page. And minimum width represents that it is a starting point of your, you could say it is a break point. Minimum width is your break point, is a starting break point. You can apply this style. This style will be applied on your page from 500 pixels above, but maximum width style will apply below that 500 pixels. So this is how you can use in your CSS file. This is how media queries will work. We'll see now how we can code in our sample application. You could see later in this video. So there is another use of media queries in CSS file, that is the orientation part. Orientation represents your landscape and portrait version. Landscape means it is vertically long, and landscape means it is horizontal long, and portrait means it is vertical long. So you could take a landscape version as tablet version and portrait version as your mobile version. So we'll see how to use media queries in the project. As you can see here, I have created one file called index.html, and inside this I have given a style tag. You can see here I am giving the background color of the body as light green, and I have taken one p tag inside my body tag, and I have put some content in p tag. So let's save this and let's run this in our browser. Yeah, it looks like this. When we run this page, it looks like this. The background color of this page is light green because we have given in our style. So let's minimize this browser to the mobile view. The shortcut of toggling to the mobile view in Firefox is Ctrl plus Shift plus M. And for reversing this action, you could use keys similarly for the mobile version, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus M. You can toggle between desktop view and mobile view. So we'll see now. We are seeing in a mobile view, that is 360 into 640 screen size. We can also see in tablet version and in this version also, and the last one is the desktop version. So we'll see in a mobile version it is not applying any style if we are toggling to mobile view. Now I'll show you how to use media queries for changing the background color of the body to the different color. So we'll see it now. So we'll start @media, @media only screen, and maximum width should be 500 pixels. You could keep anything, it depends on you. You could use 400 pixels as well, but in my case I am using 500 pixels. So inside this you could apply your CSS. Now I don't want light green color, I want light blue color on mobile view. So let's change this to blue. Instead of using light green, I am using light blue color on mobile view. Let's save this file and let's hop to the browser and we'll refresh the page. And you can see here our color of the background of the body gets changed to light blue. When we move to the desktop view, it is in light green color. So this is the simple example which I have given for media queries. You can do anything. You can also increase the font size of this p tag. The font size of this p tag in desktop view is, I'll show you what is the font size of this. So there is no font size defined in my CSS, but I want this font size to be increased a little bit in mobile version. So I am using inside media query, I am giving font size as 30 pixels. Let's save this and let's hop to the browser. We'll refresh it again and we'll toggle to the mobile view. As you can see here, the font size of the p tag gets changed to 30 pixels. You can also see here in the Firebug, which is a Firefox extension for debugging your web applications or web pages. You can see here the font size gets changed to 30 pixels. So this is the simple use of media query which I have shown you in this video. Hope you like this video, hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and share my videos. Don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section below, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos.